In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out from Hotmail. Even though the service is now part of Outlook on Microsoft, the process to log out is quick and straightforward, and it's an important habit to keep your account secure, especially on shared or public computers. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the official Outlook sign-in page on the Microsoft website. This is the same place where Hotmail accounts sign in today. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. This will take you to the familiar Microsoft sign-in experience. If your browser recognizes you, you may see your account listed as an existing option. Simply click that to proceed. If you're already in your mailbox from a previous session, that's fine too. Your goal is just to get into Outlook so you can access the sign-out control. Inside your inbox, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circle that shows either your profile photo or your initials. That's your account menu. Click it to open the drop-down. This menu is where Microsoft keeps key account controls for Outlook on the web, including your profile, account settings, and most importantly for today, the option to sign out. In the menu, click Sign Out. Give it a moment to process. You'll typically be taken back to a Microsoft page confirming the action or to the sign-in screen. That's your indication that you've fully logged out of your Hotmail account in the browser. A few quick tips to keep things secure and frustration-free. If you use multiple Microsoft accounts in the same browser, make sure you verify which one you're signing out of by checking the initials or photo before you click Sign Out. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to close the browser window after signing out. And if you ever feel like the site keeps you signed in unexpectedly, try using a private browsing window called In Private in Edge or Incognito in Chrome for future sessions, or clear your cookies for a clean sign-in next time. That's all there is to it. Go to the Outlook sign-in page, enter Outlook, open your profile menu in the top right, and choose Sign Out. With these quick steps, you can confidently leave your Hotmail account secure every time you step away from your device.